Welcome to Java Forum. Now I am going to show you how to install Elementary OS 7.1 on VMware Workstation 17.5 with VMWare Tools. So make sure that you are updated to latest version of VMware Workstation. So this is my latest version. So I have upgraded to 17.5. So it's the latest version. Okay, now let me create one new virtual machine. So provide the ISO image. So I am selecting the Elementary OS 7.5 DVD ISO image file which I have downloaded from Elementary OS website. So Elementary OS is the flavor of Ubuntu operating system. So I am selecting Ubuntu 64-bit as a version. Next, so provide some name to this virtual machine. So I am giving some name. And provide the path where virtual machine is getting stored. Next, I am allocating 40 GB virtual hard disk size and store it as a single file. Okay, next I am customizing the hardware. I am increasing the RAM to 8 GB. CPU cores also I am going to increase to 4 CPU cores. Okay, rest of the settings will be remain as it is. Okay. So now let me start the Elementary OS installation. Power on this virtual machine. So English will be my default language. Select. So erase disk and install. Select the option erase disk and install. Select install anyway. Select the VMware virtual disk. Next button. So I am not encrypting the device. Don't encrypt. Erase and install. That's it. So installation started. So installation is completed. I am restarting the Elementary OS. So once again it will ask for language. So English will be the default language. Okay. So now provide the login username. Next, provide the password for the login username. Next, provide the name, computer name. Okay, that is host name or device name. So that's it. So now log into the Elementary OS. So by default VMware Tools will not be installed on Elementary OS operating system. So we need to install VMware Tools manually. Okay. So first let me adjust the screen size. So go to other. You can see my this is my screen size. Okay, so adjust the screen size. Okay, now next up what I am going to do, I am going to open the terminal. So run this command apt install open -vm -tools space open -vm -tools -desktop. So this will install VMware Tools from Ubuntu repository. Yes, all the dependencies are installed along with the VMware tools. Okay, that's it. So VMware tools is installed. Now I am restarting. So let me try the shared clipboard feature. So shared clipboard and drag and drop is enabled by default. Okay, so I can able to copy paste, so which means that shared clipboard is working. Let me try to host machine to elementary OS virtual machine. Yes, I can able to copy paste. So now let me try the drag and drop feature. So drag and drop feature. So I open one folder in Windows host machine. Let me try to drag and drop one file. Yes, I can able to drag and drop one file. Let me try another one. Yes, I can able to drag and drop. Let me open the archive. Yes, I can able to open the archive, which means that copy paste is successful without any issues. That is, full file is copied without any issues. Okay. So now next up, what I am going to do, I am going to enable the shared folder. Okay, I am going to enable the shared folder. So shared clipboard and drag and drop is working fine without any issues. So I am going to mount one Windows host machine directory to elementary OS virtual machine. So go to settings, options, shared folders. So check always enabled. Now browse the shared folder from Windows host machine. So this is a shared folder I am going to mount. Enable this share. Okay. Now start the elementary OS. Open the terminal. Run this command, VMware-HGFS client. You can see that shared folder is enabled, but we need to access the content. So what I am going to do, login as a root user. Okay, now I am going to edit the /etc/fs tab. So add the line. Okay, add this line, VMHGFS-fuse space /mnt/HGFS space fuse space defaults comma allow underscore other space 0 space 0. Save the file. That's all. So make sure that you are done as a root user. Okay, now make directory underscore under /mnt. Okay, so I am creating one directory HGFS under /mnt. Now mount -a. So this command will mount all the directories. Okay. Now open another tab and try to browse the shared folder content. Yes, I can able to browse the shared folder content. So finally, elementary OS 7.1 installation on VMware Workstation 17.5 with VMware Tools is successful.